How to zoom in and zoom out a video in a video editor in Blender? First, go to File, New, Video Editing. Add your video by clicking on Add, Movie. Note that this particular video does not have a sound and thus only contains a single track. Go to Add Effect Strip, Transform. Select Uniform Scale so that height to width ratio of the video remains the same. We need to mark which properties we want to modify. Select Position and Scale. Let's pick a frame where we would like to zoom in. We need to adjust position and scale and then mark them. Let us now select a frame until which the video would remain zoomed. And on another frame, we can zoom out by resetting position and scale to the initial values. Now let's play the video from the beginning and see the result.